मा पाहि गौरी तनया सततं गजवदना मा पाहि गौरी तनया सततं गजवदना सकल विघ्नवारण साधु संपोषणा निखिल भुवन पालना नन वरद दास विभूषण ताकिटजम री गरि सा सारि सानि प नि सरे ग प ग नि प ग प नि ध नि तनि किन तुम पगरि सरी ताकिट जमरी गरि सा सारि सा नि प नि सरि ग प ग नि प ग प नि सरि तनि किन तुम पगरि सरी गजवदना मा पा पूरितनया सततं गजवदना Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Ji?
Yes, ma'am. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good afternoon to one and all present here. There are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning every single day and by every single step you take. With the divine blessings of Padma Shri Dr. Srimati Y.G. Parthasarathi, founder PSBB Group of Schools, it is my pleasure to welcome our beloved principal, Srimati Rukmini Sridharan, who always supports, encourages, and guides us, our parents, and our dear children for the academic award ceremony for the year 2019-2020. We feel happy to share the achievements of our brilliant children. The award will be given to the meritorious students in individual subjects and for the all-round performances. Now over to Mrs. Ranjani.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ranjani.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's begin with class 8A. All-rounder Velamuri Satya Sahiti. Susovna Prushti, second all-rounder. Now coming up to the subject topper, English language, Velamuri Satya Sahiti. English literature subject topper, Lakshita S. Hindi subject topper, Velamuri Satya Sahiti. Mathematics subject topper, Susovna Prushti. Science subject topper, Susovna Prushti. Social science subject topper, Susovna Prushti. Congrats, children. Let's move on to class 8B.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Coming up for class 8B, all-rounder, Vaishnavi Mukund, Neha Mahesh, Prasunya Sundar, Natasha Patnaik, Varsha P. Makrana. Now the subject toppers, Krisha Atul Dhokariya for English language, Subject topper for English literature, Krisha Atul Dhukaria. Subject topper Hindi, Krisha Atul Dhukaria. Mathematics subject topper, Kadimi City Sai Satvik. Science subject topper, Krisha Atul Dhukaria. Social science subject topper, Krisha Atul Dhukaria. Congrats, children. Next, class 8C, all-rounder, Pragati S. Vishnu Muttaya. Coming up for the subject topper, English language, Vishnu Muttaya. English literature, Vishnu Muttaya. Second language, Tamil, subject topper, Vishnu Muttaya. Mathematics, subject topper, Vishnu Muttaya. Science, subject topper, Vishnu Muttaya. Social science, Vishnu Muttaya. Congrats, Pragati and Vishnu.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now over to Kavita for class 8D.
Thank you, Ranjani. Now we will see the prize winners of class 80. All-rounders, it is Janani, Prahashan Anand, Sanjana E, Karthik B, and Nitin P. The subject toppers are Priya Balaji for English language, Priya Balaji again for English literature. It is Pranav Hariharan for Tamil. Math again it's Riya Balaji. Science it's Sanjana Ramesh. And social it is Riya Balaji. Congrats. And for 80, for class 80, the all-rounders are Anushka Chakrabarti, Kushi P, Semakurati Sweta, Aman Patnaik, and Nitya K. The subject toppers are English language, it is Nakshatra Raja, English literature is Anika P. Nayak, Sanskrit it is Amartavalli, Hindi it is Aman Patnaik, Math again it is Sanika P. Nayak, Science it is Nakshatra Raja and Sanika P. Nayak. Thank you, students. Sorry, Amartavalli. At social it is Amartavalli. And the super topper across the level for the academic year 1920 is Krisha Atul Dhukaria. Congrats, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, children. And we request all the prize winners to come and collect your certificates and trophies on 26th Friday between 10 and 12 noon. Now I request our principal ma'am to address the gathering. Children, please stay. After the vote of thanks, ma'am addresses and vote of thanks, we will have the photo session. Ma'am?
Yeah. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. It's really very nice to have all of you assembled here for this award ceremony. Congratulations to all the winners, Subject Toppers Award and the All-Rounders Award. But I have one question to ask the batch of 8C students. Were the teachers teaching only for Vishnu Muttaya in class 8C? No other competitor for him? All the awards are backed by him. What happened to the other children in the class? What were you doing? How can you allow one child to grab all the trophies and all the medals? Is Vishnu Muttaya here? Vishnu Muttaya, are you there? Are you here? He also left. Vishnu Muttaya also left. Who was the class teacher for the 8C batch?
Yamini ma'am, Mrs. Yamini.
Oh, has she not joined the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm here, ma'am.
Okay, what is this happening? Vishnu Muttaya bagging all the awards. What happened to the other children?
I can't hear clearly. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah.
Ma'am, he's actually very sincere in whatever notes he takes, or whenever we are teaching, he's there. He's pakka. He's doing everything like it is supposed to be done. So I guess that's what really helps him when he writes his exam. And he's very observant, ma'am. So whatever the teacher is teaching in class, I've noticed that he's somebody who all he needs to do is pay attention, and it's like a natural gift to him that he's able to reproduce it in paper.
Yeah, and maybe follow up. So that is a lesson that his friend and his peers must learn. How was he able to achieve that? Right? So they have to learn and understand the pattern that he followed to be successful. Thank you, Yamini, for your explanation. So congratulations and thank you, my dear teachers, for such a wonderful presentation, coordinating and doing all the background work to make this event happen. And thank you, parents, for your support, for being here for this award ceremony. And admin staff who have also made this event possible by working at the background in making the trophies and the ready. Yeah. We can propose a vote of thanks. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I call upon Ms. Kalivani to deliver the vote of thanks.
Am I audible?
Yes, Kalai.
Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. I would now like to express my gratitude to everyone present here. Shri Gurubhyo Namah. On behalf of Class 8, teachers and the entire fraternity of school, we extend our most sincere thanks to the Almighty. We also extend a very hearty thanks to our beloved Principal Ma'am, who is a pillar of support for our entire team in all our endeavors. Our sincere thanks to all the parents for gracing this occasion and for the encouragement extended throughout the year. We would like to thank the teachers who supported and helped in the preparation and the presentation for the conducting this function successfully. A heartfelt thanks to each and everyone present here. Thank you.
Thank you, Kalai. Now, student of 8A, the subject toppers and the all-rounders, please turn on your videos. And class teacher and the subject teachers, please join. Yes, ma'am. For the screenshot. Srividya, ma'am.
Yeah, but none of the students have turned on the video, ma'am. Can you check?
Yes. So, now, class 8A students, please turn on your videos, the all-rounders and the subject toppers.
Kavita, ma'am, please turn on your video also. Ranjini ma'am, Kavita ma'am. Yeah. Yes, ma'am, taken.
Yeah. 8B students, class teacher and the subject teacher, please turn on your video.
It's done.
Okay. 8C.
Yes, ma'am, taken.
8D students.
Yeah, done.
80.
Amrita Valli. Yes, ma'am, taken.
Thank you, children. Now, class teachers will take a screenshot with principal ma'am, only class teachers. Yamini.
Yes, ma'am, taken.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, parents.
Thank you, Srividya. Thank you, everyone. Good show.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.